Alright folks, today we're replacing the pull cord on my Minn Kota Ultrax, and we're going to try to get it to where you can see it. So here's the end of the old cable that broke right there, okay? And it runs through a hole. I don't know if I can get it to focus, but there's a hole that runs through. My light went off. There's a hole there that it goes through, and it runs above. That roller right there, and then out the hole up here. Okay, so what we're going to try to do, we're putting a cable tap in, and we're going to try to, it's just the cable tap. We're going to bend the cable, and with a little bit of luck and maybe a couple of screwdrivers, long screwdrivers, we're going to try to fish that back down through here so we don't have to take this thing apart and come out this hole on the side right here where this is, and then put our, see, that just comes right out. And then we're going to try to put our washer and everything on out this hole, and then pull it back through this hole right here. So you can see where it goes through in there, goes above that. So we're going to try to do that and see if it's possible without taking the trolling motor apart. Okay guys, so we got it through the hole, and if you can see, we are, well, we're over the top of the roller right there with the red wire through the hole in the plastic. See if we can get the light in here. So we're through the hole in the plastic, and then we brought the cable out the side. So now all we gotta do is put our end on it, and we're set to go, and we didn't have to take anything apart. So what you need to do is get you something, prop your motor up like that to where you can get to that, and try to put something where it won't fall, because if your hands are inside here and this thing falls, it could be bad for you. So try to prop that thing up real good, put something between here, maybe up in here, anything, maybe even back here, to keep this from falling while you're doing this. But once we get the end on it, hey, we're set, we're good to go. And that's just a little hack on how to put the cable in without taking it all apart. Guys, we got her hooked up. Pull it. Works. Got our stop in there on the end of it, so we can get some light in there. Right up against the plastic piece with our washer. Cable comes out like it's supposed to out of the hole, and we've got our handle down here, and we're set to go. That was about a 7-8 minute fix. Appreciate y'all watching.